so dear students, the poem from 2.1 now. Again, a very important poem, number 1. Number 2, favorite for the examiners. And number 3, this poem teaches us a very vital lesson. Okay, this poem teaches us a very vital lesson. And what is the lesson? Let's pay attention to it. The lesson which the poem has taught is very simple. Of course, the poem deserves 5 full stars. Exam points से भी बहुत ही important poem है, and I expect every one of us to be, very very curious, cautious about it. Now, poem से ये सिखाया that animals are better. Animals are better than humans. Animals are better than humans has been clearly talked about. Now, get into the pairs and attempt the following. The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog. That's being said by Mark Twain. The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog. That's being talked about by Mark Twain. Now, what exactly has he said clearly? He's made it one thing clear that जितना मैं आदमियों को, जितना मतलब मैं इंसान को समझने की कोशिश करता हूँ, जितना मैं इंसान को अच्छे से पढ़ता हूँ, I feel यार animals are much better. मतलब not a discarding fact, not to disrespect humans or not to disrespect the men, but important is यार animals are so flexible, they are so placid and self-contained. That's what has been mentioned. Put the following attributes or abilities given below in the proper circles. मतलब इसमें से कौन से activities humans के साथ deal करते हैं, कौन से activities are only with animals, and कौन से attributes are with both, that is man, that is humans, as well as with animals. Self-control, both, common to both. Love and care, both, common to both. Again, cooks, only with humans again. Has 360-degree vision, only with animals again. Brings up children, both. Sleeps in standing position, that's animals again. So these are the various attributes. Attributes का मतलब है, attributes and abilities का मतलब है qualities. Let's go further. Now, at times, especially when I'm frustrated, I wish I could be a bird, a fish, or a butterfly, and not a human being. Now, I personally feel, if you ask me, I wish I could be a fish. Need to explore the oceanic world, very peaceful, away from the hustle and bustle. No pollution, extremely to the clean waters. Though the water is salty, I know, but still, it's a very pure and a fresh world over there. So I would definitely like to be a fish. Let's go further. Animals. The poem has been given by one great poet called as Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman typically is what you can call him as an atheist. Atheist matlab the one who doesn't believe in God, but one who believes in having right behavior. I feel that is also important. लोग क्या करते हैं, भगवान के पीछे हमेशा, but end of the day not disrespecting human beings, trying to be bad with humans. ये कैसे चलने वाला? It's not going to work. Instead, Walt Whitman rightly says that I don't believe in God as such. I'm an atheist by my nature, but at the same time, end of the day, मदद किसी की करनी, I'll be the first person to go out. And God Himself says, service to mankind is service to me. Okay, a major figure in the early American poetry. In an age when all poetry was rhymed and metrical, Whitman made a break with tradition and wrote a revolutionary kind of a poem in free verse. He was non-conformist in all respects, including his social life. Non-conformist matlab he believed that nothing is permanent, everything is going to be temporary. The poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than humans. What he finds complicated and false. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self-contained. Turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self-contained. What do we mean by this? Poet says, I wish I could turn myself and try to live my life with animals. That's going to be more placid and self-contained. I stand and look at them long and long. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. Sweat and whine matlab they do not complain about their condition. Okay. पोएट कहता है मैं उनको देखता रहता हूँ और हमेशा ऐसा लगता है यार दे नॉट कंप्लेन अबाउट देयर कंडीशन, दे आर लिविंग इन सो चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन, चैलेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट. बिकॉज इन फॉरेस्ट अच्छा लगता है, फॉरेस्ट वी गो फॉर इन द फॉरेस्ट एंड माउंटेन्स फॉर ट्रेकिंग, बट लाइफ देयर कैन बी मिजरेबल फॉर एनिमल्स एज वेल, बिकॉज challenges to go and fight for their food every time, challenges to go and hunt for their prey every time. It's a difficult thing. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we earn, of course even our life is difficult, we work hard, we earn and we try and satisfy our basic needs. But animals, my dear friends, क्या करेंगे यार बेचारे, they don't even speak, they can't even express themselves. They have to live a very rustic life. Rustic life मतलब जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं unenthusiastic. They have to get up, search for the food, eat, sleep. But that's difficult, and a daily life is very, very harsh for them. So animal life on a daily basis is very, very very harsh. Okay, they do not make me sick discussing the duty to God. Make me sick is disgust me. हम लोग जैसे हमेशा नहीं, ये भगवान के लिए करना है, God is great, God के लिए ये करना है, He will be happy on me, if I do this God will praise me. ऐसा एनिमल्स नहीं करते. They live life as on it comes. Nothing they believe like something like to praise the Almighty. What we do is 90% of things we do to praise the Almighty, to praise someone or the other. But half of the things we don't even feel. ऐसा लगता भी नहीं कि हम हमारे लिए करते. We are doing to impress someone. Why? Poet says why? Live like animals, plain, happy, cheerful, always. Not one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the mania. Demented मतलब nobody is turning mad with the mania of owning things. Mania का मतलब है with the craze of owning things. Not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Okay, what does this mean? एक दूसरे के लिए वो झुकते नहीं हैं. They live with respect, they live with awe. हम लोग कैसा? Most of the humans have this habit. काम करके लेना है out of greed. They are bending themselves down. मतलब इतना झुकते लोगों के सामने, भाई नहीं मेरा काम करके दो. But this is what is wrong. Poet says live like animals, be happy. यार, that's important. Not one is respectable, nor unhappy over the whole earth. Here respectable means it means happy and satisfied. Is any single human being saying that today I'm happy? No, because we humans, we are always having higher demands. हमको अगर एक चीज मिलती है, we say why not second, दूसरी मिलती है why not third, तीसरी मिलती है why not fourth. So this is what we are doing. We are constantly unhappy, we are constantly dissatisfied about owning things. So they show their relations to me and I accept them. So poet says जब मैं animals के साथ जाता हूँ और when I am with animals, they show that love to me, they show that grace to me. They bring me tokens of myself. They evince is show. They plainly in their possession. जो कुछ भी उनके पास है ही कुछ नहीं वैसे भी. But whatever it is, they are all happy and they are clear about their ideas. They are all transparent. I wonder where they get those tokens from. Tokens means goodness, good qualities, good virtues, goodness. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently dropped them? So poet कहता है कि ये सब चीजें जो मैं अभी तक महसूस नहीं कर पाया था, should I regret on that? Have I missed out on something really, really important? That's what is the poet trying to say. Clear everybody? Yes. So this is the last line which is important. Poet says, have I missed out on those things? मतलब ये मैं चीज समझ नहीं पाया. I couldn't understand this thing. Is this something that I missed out in my life? That's the poem by Walt Whitman. He says animals are much better creatures than human beings who believe and who do things out of selfish gains. At least animals live in their own territory and they are happy. They are not encouraging our life, but हम लोग उनकी जिंदगी में encourage कर रहे हैं, and this is what is absolutely wrong. Now with the activity based questions, of course this is a separate sheet that I am making for worksheets, but here for this. Match the words given in table A with the meanings in table B. Wine, sin, evin, mania, negligent, whatever it is. So you have to match clearly. Wine means complain in an annoying way. Sin is an offense against moral religion. Evins is to show. Mania is mental illness. Negligent, failing to take proper care. Mania का मतलब है craze. We say people are crazy for football in Brazil. That's mania. Okay, positive and negative qualities from the topic which is being mentioned. Complete the following as well. State whether the statements are true or false. Okay, so whatever are true, whatever are false. Animals are self-reliant, true. Animals quarrel for their possession, false. They don't. They declare their possessions clear. Do not worship other animals, true. Humans have given up many good qualities, true. Humans suffer humiliation. Animals suffer humiliation, false. They are not selfish. Why would they suffer humiliation? The poet has retained all his natural virtues. True. Natural virtues मतलब जो भी poet के natural feelings है, his emotions, his love, that is all has been absolutely described well. Human beings and animals, with the help of the poem, find difference between animals and human beings. It's again activity based question. Human beings, we know what are the good qualities we have seen and what are the negatives, that is bad qualities. Animals का भी वैसे ही है. Clear? Yes. Same thing. Read the text again and finally highlight what is important. They are blessed and self-contained. They are self-reliant. Please remember everybody, they are self-reliant. They are happy. They are well versed. They are genuine. So these are the important verb diagrams, verbs that we are trying to say. Now figures of speech में आते हैं repetitions, alliteration, hyperbole. So which lines go for repetition, alliteration and hyperbole? Repetition, words being repeated. Alliteration, alphabet being repeated. Hyperbole, exaggerative statement being said. So this is again one more important thing. Identify the figures of speech of the following lines. This part I have clearly made in my grammar session, and if needs be, you can refer the video and get back to me with your doubts as well. Now appreciation for the poem, again an important part. Appreciation में 4 points आने चाहिए, sorry 6 points in total. What are those? Number 1 is the title of the poem. Next thing is the poet and a brief part. दोनों में आपको brief लिखना है, मतलब a single line or so here and there. Then is the rhyming words and the rhyming scheme. Then is figures of speech being used in the poem. Then is the central idea of the poem. Did you, and then the favorite lines from the poem, and did you exactly like the poem, yes or no? So this is called as appreciation for the poem. Appreciation मतलब poem में हम लोग in short poem के बारे में पूरा gist देते हैं, पूरी poem को हम लोग in short उसका crux देते हैं. That is called as appreciation writing. Then is the view and counter view. This is again a writing skills part. We'll be seeing in the later sessions actually. This part purely refers with the topic, the poem, its explanation and some activity based questions which are related with the topic. I hope that's been very clear. Again, poem is being mentioned about by Walt Whitman, जो कहते हैं animals are much better creatures than human beings, who are never happy, never satisfied. They are simply crazy for owning one thing or the other, because humans at the end of the day are always going to be selfish, but animals are more going to be let go. They are more loving in general. Clear everybody? Thank you so much all of you.